ஸோ அதுதான் நம்மளுடைய மெயின் பர்பஸ். ஸோ இந்த எந்த ஒரு பதற்றமும் இல்லாம இந்த செஷன் வந்து முடிக்கணும் நீங்க. அதுதான் உங்களுடைய டாஸ்க். ஓகே. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் வி ஸ்டார்ட் வித் யுவர் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன். ஆகாஷ், ப்ளீஸ் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் யுவர் செல்ஃப்.
Good evening, sir. First of all, I thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Akash and I come from Ooty, which is also known as the Queen of Hills in the Nilgiris district. I completed my schooling in Briggs All India Secondary School, Ooty, and I completed my secondary education in Sri Vinayaga Vidyalaya Higher Secondary School, Karamadai. Being from a farming family, I have developed a keen interest in agriculture, which motivated me to pursue my graduation in Anbil Dharmalingam Agriculture College and Research Institute, Tiruchirappalli. When it comes to my hobby, I love interacting with nature, taking care of my pets, and I love participating in football events and athletic events. And also, I love to play. I love to work in a field. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay. Basically, you taking care of pets. Which type of pets you are growing?
Sir, I used to grow dogs, and we have cows and goats in our home, which are domesticated. And also,
Okay.
I used to take care of my fishes.
Which breed you are growing in dog?
Sir, I have 3 German Shepherds, sir.
Okay, German Shepherd. Okay. Recently, there was some issues regarding stray dogs, right? So, what is your opinion about stray dogs? Whether it is it has to be controlled, or what are the measures the government has to be taken to reduce these incidents?
Sir, actually, the main problem is spreading of rabies, sir. The stray dogs, it has to be controlled, but the government should provide the subsidies. They should use the subsidies perfectly to anti-rabies the dogs, to put the vaccination against the rabies. And also, they have to create awareness among people that if a dog bites us within 12 hours or 24 hours, we have to vaccinate ourselves. I think many dogs are not yet vaccinated properly, sir. And also, government can take a measure like spaying the dogs, which means making them unfertile. It can, instead of killing those dogs, we can reduce this population day by day within a short period of time, sir.
So, which method you are preferring to reduce these incidents, dog bites and all?
Sir, I prefer that instead of killing, we can spay the stray dogs perfectly, sir. In some places, they are allocating fund for spaying, but it is not properly used for it, sir.
Okay. So basically, you are from a farming community, right?
Yeah, sir.
So what are the crops can be grown in Ooty climate?
Sir, we used to grow carrot, beetroot, potato, and garlic as main crops. And in some seasons, we used to grow cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, etc. In Ooty itself, there is light tropical climate near the Gudalur side. In there, they can grow lettuce, broccoli, and icebergs, etc.
Okay. So, in that region, tropical climate is available?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, when we go from Metupalayam to Ooty, it is slightly subtropical, sir. And in other ways, if we go from Ooty to Gudalur, it is also act like subtropical, sir.
So, what is the mean sea level of your Ooty?
Sorry, sir?
Mean sea level?
Sir, I think 2,500 feet.
2,500. What is the height of Dottapetta?
It is around 2,700, I think so. I can't remember right now, sir.
Okay. So, if I come to Ooty, what are the places I must visit?
Sir, Ooty is full of tourist places, like especially Doddabetta, Karnataka Garden, Botanical Garden, Paikara Falls, Pine Forest, etc. If you look for, if you come like adventurous trip, there are also some places like inside the forest, sir, with the government permission, like trekking in Mudumalai Elephant Reserve, Tiger Reserve, etc.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
So, thank you. And
Yes, sir.
so, what are the reasons that recent agriculture is facing some issues like climate change, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
what are the steps the government has to initiate to mitigate the climate change?
Sir, means to mitigate the climate change,
Yeah,
they can provide some
with
subsidies.
regarding to agriculture.
They can provide some crop loans like for post harvest loss. And
Hmm.
actually, in our locality itself, when the rain is high, the
Hmm.
market price will suddenly increase because every farmers cannot hold their crop for more time. So, if a government plans to procure more in those time, then we can also manage the price risk.
Okay.
And also, the government can in our locality, the government can use some measures like uh, preventing landslides by planting some vegetations
Hmm.
like etc. Sir.
Okay. So, what is the difference between climate and weather?
Sir, climate is a short time weather, short time environment condition, but
Hmm.
whereas the weather is for a long time. We can say it as a season for months, but the climate is only for a few hours or day.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Climate,
Okay.
we can say that climate is only for hours, but weather means it comes under for a long days, sir.
Okay. 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 So, what are the forecasting methods? Do you know?
Sir, weather forecasting
Hmm.
methods, long range forecasting, short range forecasting, medium range forecasting,
Okay.
in which the short range forecasting varies from 3 hours to 12 hours. Medium range forecasting for 3 days and long range forecasting for 10 days.
Okay. So, what are the steps that has taken by the government to yearly inform of the weather change to the farmers? What are the steps taken by the government? Do you have any initiatives taken by the government? Because we know that there is sometimes there will be some storm, some rainfall will be there. How the farmers will get to know?
Sir, by forecasting this weather, a farmer can plan accordingly by changing their cropping pattern,
Hmm.
like growing less perishable crops and rainfall withstanding crops, etc. Sir.
Okay, my question is how
Okay.
we can tell to the farmers that this weather is going to come in this day.
Sir,
So, what are
by
the steps
communi-
taken by the government?
by communicating them with radio, newspapers, TV, televisions, etc., like mass media, sir.
Okay, okay. So, any other instruments?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I can bring this much only at this
Okay.
time.
So, what are the insurance schemes do we have
Sir, we have just now
regarding
applied for
to climate, mm,
crop
weather,
insurance and
mm, mm, crop
under
insurance? Okay.
yes, sir,
Mm,
crop insurance and schemes which have applied Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, in which
okay.
it is also for crop insurance scheme.
Okay. Could you please tell something more about PM FBY?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is a crop insurance scheme in which the
Mm,
government pay the premium rate for Kharif crops about 2% and Rabi crops about 1.5% and
mm,
horticulture and commercial crops for 5%.
mm.
It is only applicable for all weather related damages instead of some other war or something. It is
Mm-hmm.
not applicable for those damages, sir.
So, what is the meaning of premium in this?
The premium uh, the farmer has to pay the sorry, the government will pay the farmer with for this
Government,
crop.
government will pay the farmers.
Yes, sir.
So,
Actu-
so it's an insurance scheme, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know any other insurance schemes that is with regarding to farmers or some
Yes,
other
sir.
insurance schemes?
Only for sorry,
No,
sir.
not farmers. Generally, you can tell anything. General insurance schemes.
Sir, other insurance schemes like Pradhan Mantri Pradhan Mantri Mandhan Yojana for sorry, 1 second, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sorry, sir. Right now I cannot.
LIC also providing some insurance schemes.
Yes, sir. National insurance also we can. It has life insurance and the Pradhan Mantri
There are
Suraksha
life
Bima
insurance
Yojana.
schemes is there. Some
Like
accidental insurance scheme is there.
some insurance like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, which coverage accidental insurance cover for people age 18 to 70. If the partial disability, the government will pay 1 lakh, and if the disability full disability, the government will pay 2 lakhs. And another scheme is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana. It is also a life insurance scheme, but if a person die, the government will provide 2 lakhs rupees.
Okay.
That's all, sir.
Okay. Let's move to the next section. What is bond?
Sir, it is a kind of security through which a person can borrow some borrow some money from the bank or some other institution.
So basically, if I am purchasing one bond, whether I am borrowing or I am earning.
Sorry, sir.
If I am purchasing a bond, if I am I am purchasing a bond, so whether I am earning or I am giving lending.
You are earning.
So who will hold the bond?
Shareholders who perform in stock market can hold the bond.
Just explain me how the bond works.
Sir, actually, it is a kind of security, sir.
Okay.
And it works by when we buy, we can sell those bond when the share market. Sorry, sir.
Okay, good. So, what is share market? How it works?
Sir, if a company is starting newly and it doesn't have enough money to start, it will sell some of their share to the public by initiating public offer. If not only the public, also the government and companies, other enterprises can buy the share. If we buy the share after some period, the value of that share will be increased. So the company will give our part of profit.
Okay. Part of profit we will get.
Yes,
what is
sir.
the name of it? Some part of profit they will give, right? So what is the name of it?
Shares.
No. Profit in the name of dividend. Dividend.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So basically you are from farming community, as we came to know.
Sir.
So your father is a farmer, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any farming land?
Yes, sir. We are cultivating 4 acres of land.
4 acres of land you are cultivating. So what are the crops you are growing in your land?
So carrot, beetroot,
Carrot.
potato, garlic.
Okay,
Primary
got
crop
it.
is carrots.
Okay. So can you tell me some few potato varieties that we can grow in Ooty?
Carrot varieties, sir.
No, potato varieties.
Sir, actually, we don't use potato seeds. We use our previous crop seed tubers. We don't use
Tubers you are
particular
using.
variety. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. So which
only
variety you
for,
are growing in
sir.
field? Which variety you are growing in your field?
Sir, we are not growing any particular varieties, sir. From our
Okay.
previous crop, we will collect the seed tuber and we will use it for next crop, sir.
Okay.
Only for
So,
carrot, we will use some varieties. That's it.
so what is the difference between variety and hybrid?
Sir, crossing two parents and we'll get a better parent in F1 generation. It is called hybrid, sir.
Hmm.
And for variety, it is a normal cross between two parents, and it can. The major difference is hybrid cannot be reproduced again, sir. But the
Hmm.
varieties we can produce again and again for several cycles.
Okay, good. Yield wise, which will be good?
Sir, hybrid is always good in yield wise.
Cost wise?
Sir, cost
Cost wise.
wise means seed cost, sir.
Seed cost wise, which will be good?
It varieties are less cost than hybrid, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is for your final question. What is the rate of 1 kilogram of urea or 1 bag of urea? You can tell 1 bag of urea. What is the rate of 1 bag of urea?
Sir, actually, it is one bag means 40 kg.
1 bag means how many kg? Urea,
Sir,
1 bag of
50,
kg.
around 40, 45 or 50 kg.
Okay.
And the one bag, it is around 300 to 300 rupees, around 300 to 350 rupees. It comes, sir.
Okay.
About
Okay.
7 to 8 rupees per kg, sir.
7 to 8 rupees per kg you are saying. Okay.
Hmm.
Good.
Right.
Okay, Akash. Good.
Thank you, sir.
How do you feel your interview?
I feel good, sir, but in banking awareness, I am not getting the key points to explain. I know what the answer is, but I'm not getting the key points.
Okay, good. So
Yes, sir.
your answers are very bold. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Answers are very bold. That's good. And whenever you don't know something, just you have
Yes,
to
sir.
say, sorry, sir, I don't remember.
Yes, sir.
If you are telling partial answers means you have to say partial answers. Then you have to say, sir, remaining I don't know. I will I will try to remember. Like that
Yes,
you
sir.
can skip that. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Okay.
we don't need to waste that 6 to 7 minutes. They will only ask for 6 to 7 minutes. They are fixed.
Okay.
Time is fixed. So you have to give
Okay,
more chance to ask many more questions. So we should
okay,
not
sir.
steal their times. That
Yes,
is
sir.
that should be our purpose. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with regarding to your hobbies, you can reduce to 1 or 2. That is enough. You are saying some
Okay.
3 or 4 hobbies you are saying. So
Yes, sir.
they can ask many questions. You are saying so many pets. You are saying dogs, cows, goats. So you can
Yes,
reduce
sir.
that to 1 or 2.
Yes, sir.
So remaining part they will move on. So
Yes, sir.
that's okay. Then climate versus weather, it's a basic question. So you have to check
Yes,
on
sir.
that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And premium also one of your basic terminology which you have to learn in insurance sector. So there
Yes,
is
sir.
a one thing premium.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are so many insurance terminologies is there.
Yes, sir.
Premium, tenure,
Yes,
yield
sir.
to maturity, coupon,
Yes,
interest
sir.
rate. There are so many terminologies in banking. So these terminologies you have to learn. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bond also you have to study. So the one who needs money, they will issue bond. The one
Yes, sir.
who needs interest, they will purchase the bond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are two things, coupon and yield to maturity. So these things you have to study.
Yes, sir.
And no one knows all the answers, right? So
Yes, sir.
some questions you might not be known.
Yes, sir.
So that's questions you can skip. Then urea rate, that's okay. You have managed somehow. I think around 250 to 260, 270, 280 it will be there. Based on
Yes,
some
sir.
regions, some shops, they're increasing their rate
Yes,
based
sir.
on demand. But it is fixed only.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to give one Aadhaar card and then they will
Yes,
give
sir.
urea
Okay.
bag.
Yes,
Without
sir.
Aadhaar cards, they won't give urea
Urea.
in
Yes,
your
sir.
region. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the things. So if you have any doubts, you can directly ask me in the DM. So
Okay, sir.
let's move to the next person.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Akash.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Prepare very well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So let's we go ahead with Preeti. Good evening. Preeti, am I audible? Okay. I think. One second. Preeti, you are in online, right? If you are facing any issues, directly you can text me. If you are listening. So let's we move ahead with Deepika. Deepika, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Very good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, good. So let's we move ahead with your brief introduction. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. I am Deepika, coming from Namakkal district. I have completed my graduation in Vanavarayar Institute of Agriculture, Pollachi. I completed in 2022. Then I did my PG in plant pathology in Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Coimbatore.
Okay.
In my family, my father and mother, they are doing farming, sir.
Okay, good. So you are basically from?
Sir?
You are basically from which region?
Coming from Namakkal district, sir.
Namakkal district. So it is famous for? What are the famous places that we can visit in Namakkal?
Namakkal Anjaneya temple.
Okay.
Namakkal fort.
And
Arthanariswara temple.
Okay.
Okay,
good. Okay, good. So it is also famous for production of eggs. And what are the egg breeding types? Highly egg producing breeds. What are the egg producing breeds?
White Leghorn, Babcock. Other varieties are there, sir, but
okay, good. So what is the annual production of Namakkal district egg? Annual production?
No, sir, I didn't know the exact data.
Okay. What are the parts of egg? Parts of egg?
Egg shell, egg white, and egg yolks, sir.
Egg yolk. In for gyms, we are saying I have heard sometimes that gymming persons only eat white albumin, not egg yolk. Do you know what is the reason?
The white portion of egg has major amount of protein, so they are preferring egg white, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So coming to general awareness. So in Punjab regions, we have observed that so many burnings, crop burnings, paddy, after harvesting of paddy, what they will do? They will stubble burn.
Yes, sir.
So due to that, what happens in Delhi, fogs will form. Fog will form in the Delhi region. What are the steps taken by the government to address these problems?
The government provides some subsidy to prevent the burning of stubbles after harvesting, and also to improve their health. Now the government has rescheduled the office time.
Okay. So as a agriculture aspirant, do you have any suggestions, any more suggestions to the government to reduce the stubble burning?
Providing subsidy is a better step to stop stubble burning, sir. And also we can create awareness to farmers to use that stubbles as mulches, so we can reduce stubble burning. Creating awareness is also a better step, sir.
Okay. So still, government has taken so much of steps to reduce the stubble burning. Still, it is happening, right? So, what is the reason? Still, we are not able to attain the goal. Still, we are facing the problem. So, what is the thing that is inhibiting to attain the goal?
No, sir, no idea about that, sir.
Okay. Good. So, shall we move with the banking awareness?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have any bank account?
Yes, sir, I have, sir.
You have bank account. So, in which bank you are having?
In State Bank, sir.
State Bank of?
State Bank of India.
India. So, can you briefly explain the historical background of State Bank of India? When it was started, how it is merged?
State Bank was first started as Imperial Bank of Madras, sir. Then after it is renamed as State Bank of India after nationalization.
Okay.
It
So
is
what is nationalization?
Making the banks accessible in the national wide and taking the control by government. They took the nationalizations.
Okay. So what is the need of making nationalization? What is the need of it? So recently also in 2019 we did we have merged. So nationalization, what is the reason of nationalization?
To improve our country's economy, to improve the banking sector, and also making the services available to all the people, sir.
Okay. Even in private, even if it is a private bank, that can be done, right?
Sir?
Even as a private bank, that can be done. So, as a, for the example, if it is in the bank, they are providing all the accounts. They are providing shares. So they are issuing bonds, insurance, everything they are giving. So private also can do that, right? So why that nationalization needed? So how many times nationalization has been done?
In 2 times, sir.
What are the years?
1955 And 1969 and 72, sir.
Okay. So nationalized because at that time there was a private sectors not lending to the poor people. So to social inclusion and financial inclusion of the every section of the society, they made nationalized. The government taken the control. Hence, government thought that they can include all the section. Everyone can open the account. Earlier, it was like rich man's bank. After the nationalization, it becomes everyone's bank. So that is the reason to making nationalization. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So if let's consider this, and I am having some 10 lakh, I made a fixed deposit in my bank, in your SBI bank, let's say for the example. And one day what happened, SBI became bankruptcy. So what are the ways, what are the alternatives do I have to recover my money? I put 10 lakhs. So how much I will get? Whether it is insured FD, as a FD I gave. So whether it is insured, how much I will get in return? What are the ways do I have?
Sir, while depositing any money in the bank will make insurance to our deposit in Deposit Insurance and Credit Corporation of India. The bank will pay the premium for our deposit, sir. So if there is any problem in claiming our deposit, we can we can avail our deposit from insurance for our deposit from Deposit Insurance and Credit Corporation of India, sir.
Okay. So I deposited 10 lakhs. How much I will get? Maximum how much I will get? As per present scenario.
Sir, bank will make a premium of 12 paise for every 100 rupees, sir.
Okay. What is premium? What do you meaning of premium in this case?
Premium is the amount we are paying to claim our insurance, sir, annually. Okay. During the time of deposit.
So, okay. Good. So if I am depositing 10 lakh, how much I will get? Okay.
10 lakh. Around 12,000, sir.
Okay. So if I am putting 10 lakh, if it becomes bankruptcy, bank will give only 12,000. Okay. Good. How many numbers does a PAN card contains?
10 digit number, sir.
PAN card 10 digit number. So what is the purpose to having a PAN card number? PAN card
is a permanent account number, sir.
Okay.
Using PAN card, the income tax can regulate the bank accounts we have to see whatever the transactions we have done through our bank accounts. To prevent any fraud, PAN card is useful, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the subject matter. So what is the employment contribution of agriculture? How much percentage of our people belong to agriculture sector? What is the percentage, particular percentage? Employment. with regarding employment?
No, sir, I didn't know the exact data, sir.
So India is a agriculture-based community. India, agriculture is the basic and backbone of India. We call it as naturally. So why it is called? Why agriculture is a backbone of India?
Because agriculture provides a major economic growth for our country.
Okay.
And also provides many industrial growth through agriculture, sir.
Okay. Actually, your voice is a little bit low. Could you please increase your voice? Because I am not able to audible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me once again?
Sir, agriculture, through agriculture is the main contribution for our Indian economy, sir. Indian economic growth. And also many industrial sectors are also working on the basis of agriculture. So it is useful for our Indian economy, sir. Major contribution of Indian economy.
So how much agriculture is giving in the GDP? What is the percentage of agriculture in the GDP? How much contributing?
Sir, around 7 to 8%, sir.
7 to 8.
Yes, sir.
So which sector is contributing more in GDP growth? GDP. Which sector?
No, sir. I didn't know the.
Okay. What is GDP?
GDP means gross domestic product, sir.
So what is the meaning of it? What is the gross domestic product? In a layman language, you can explain it, right?
Yes, sir.
What is GDP?
It is the value of all the products produced in our country, sir.
Okay.
Within our country.
Within our country.
Yes, sir.
What is net national income? What is net national income?
The value of income. The value of income of all the residents in our country, and also the residents of India. They are working in other foreign countries, sir.
Okay. What is the meaning of remittance?
Remittance.
Have you heard the meaning of word remittance?
Remittance means the amount coming from non-resident Indian to any of the Indian accounts, sir. From foreign to our country.
Okay. From foreign to our country, it's coming.
Yes, sir.
So what are the, basically you belong to Namakkal district. So what are the crops that were grown around Namakkal district?
Major crops are maize, tapioca, and groundnut, sir.
Groundnut, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any farming land?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the crops grown over there?
Maize crop, sir.
Maize crop. What is the per day wage is given to a farmer? Let's say for a male and female. What is the per day wage you are giving?
Sir, for female workers, 400 to 450 per day, sir.
Okay.
And for male workers, around 650 to 700, sir.
Okay, good. So basically, you did your UG in 2022. You completed in 2022. This is 2025. So almost you prepared for 3 years. So why this gap?
Sir, after my UG, I did PG, sir. I completed in 2024, sir.
Okay. So you completed your PG in 2024 and you did PG, and PG in which subject you did?
Pathology, sir.
Pathology, okay. So you did MSc Pathology, and you are good at your academics. Why didn't you choose agriculture as your stream? You came to banking, right? So you would have prepared for some PhD or MSc also. You can get some jobs, right? So why you choose banking?
Sir, I want to work in a public sector company, sir, and also I want to help farmers. So I choose this field, sir.
So you can help by doing research also. If you are becoming scientist, you can help farmers, right? So why particularly banking sector? Then you might have prepared for agriculture officer. So it's state government exam. So why banking?
Sir, I want to help farmers, especially in financial sector, sir. So I choose banking, sir.
Okay. So good. Let's end up this session. So Deepika,
Yes, sir.
your voice is very low. So one thing, they have to put their chairs somewhat front of them. Then only they can hear. So be loud. Then only they will feel you are bold. Okay.
Okay.
You try to increase some voice.
Okay, sir.
And you have to learn some basics in banking sector. One thing you said Imperial Bank of Madras, you said, but it's Imperial Bank of India, and 2 times it was nationalized. It's 1969 and 1980 in the period of Indira Gandhi. They did nationalization because they wanted to increase the public participation. After that, only so many people started to open the banking. After 2014, they introduced Jan Dhan Yojana. After that, only so many people opened the banking also. So it is how the banking emerged. So for that, they did premium. You use the word premium in FD. So it is not the case. Premium is with respect to insurance. So that you have to see.
Okay, sir.
Net national income you missed, it seems, and remittance also you have to see once again. Okay, it's partially, it is correct only from foreign. From foreign it is coming to India, foreign currency coming to India, that is remittance. So he is also Indian only, but they are earning outside. That's it.
Okay, sir.
And stubble burning, everything okay. So with the introduction, okay, good. So in introduction, you did not mention the pathology, right?
Sir, I mentioned, sir.
You mentioned that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You mentioned MSc Pathology. You did MSc Pathology.
Yes, sir.
Okay. While giving your in personal message you gave pathology you studied.
Sir.
In direct message you gave pathology you studied, like.
No, sir.
No,
in
no?
Introduction part I told, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. So that's the thing. So prepare well. We are having another session. In that session, we have to see the improvement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Be loud, be bold. Nothing is there. They are also human being. There will be some 5 numbers will be there. You have to see everyone's face, and then you have to boldly answer. If you don't know something, in between what you did, you don't know the answer. But what you are doing, you are trying to cover up. We cannot cover up the things. Okay. If you don't know, just say, I don't know. I am not able to remember as of now. So I will try to learn in the upcoming days, like that you can skip.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So don't try to steal that time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. If you have any doubts, you can direct message me. I will answer. Okay, if you have any queries.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So let's we go with Preeti. At least now you are available.
Good evening, sir.
Rhea,
Am I
good evening.
audible, sir?
Now you are audible here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So initially I was calling you where you went, whether audible or not.
Sir, I didn't give settings option, sir, for
Oh, okay.
microphone. I didn't give permission to microphone, sir.
Oh, okay. So now it's okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's start with your brief introduction. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm Preeti from Namakkal district. I completed my graduation in agriculture from Agriculture College and Research Institute, Pudukkottai in 2023. My father is a lorry driver. My mother is a homemaker. Currently, I'm working as a branch postmaster in Department of Post, where I handle financial services and I'm able to connect with the rural community. This is my third attempt of IBPS AFO and my second interview, sir. And I am highly motivated to contribute to farmers community through this banking sector, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. You are already independent woman working in postal services. So why you choose banking?
Sir,
Don't you feel postal service gives you satisfaction?
no, sir. I joined the postal department to support my farmers. Sorry, sir. Family financial problem, but the postal job itself a good job, sir, and it is also self-sufficient. But my dream was to become a AFO and to contribute to farmers community, sir.
Okay. So initially you went for earning.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you might have earning through some other agriculture activities, right? You might have started one startups or some other agriculture related works, right? So you are thinking that agriculture is not able to give that salary. Why agriculture is not that much of interested to you?
No, sir, not like that, sir. I'm interested in banking, and during my college day, I searched for jobs that is related with agriculture. And once I came to know about AFO, I started preparing after completing my graduation. And this is a like part-time job, sir. The work itself only around 2 to 5 hours, so it will be sufficient for me to manage the financial problem of family, and also I can also prepare for exams. That's why I choose this job, sir.
Okay. So why especially with banking? It is a stressful job. Then you have to manage the financial things, and you have to find the NP, and you have to issue PS and all. So why you didn't choose some other agriculture jobs? There are so many jobs. You might have prepared for UPSC. Why you came to banking?
So since I'm an agriculture graduate, I feel it will be perfectly suit for me to help the rural community in a better way rather than IAS where we should handle all the people. But in AFO we can handle only farmer community. So with this, I hope it will help me to contact the farmers so I can say them with the necessary agriculture advice, and I can give them a better plan for agriculture loans.
Okay, good. So generally, you are from which district?
Namakkal district, sir.
Namakkal district. You are also from Namakkal. So
Yes.
do you know what is the annual production of eggs in Namakkal district?
Sir, around 60 to 80 million.
60 to 80
80
million.
million.
Okay. Whether only they are producing eggs or they are producing the meat purpose breeds also.
Yes, sir. A broiler is also famous in Namakkal district, sir.
Okay.
Both egg production and poultry are famous in Namakkal district, sir.
What is the difference between breed and stains? Is there, right? What is the stain? Some stain.
Breed is a common group. Common group. Strains will be come under breed group, sir.
Okay. Good. So, what are the famous egg breeding hens?
Sir, a white leghorn is the famous, most famous breed for egg production. Then Priya.
Okay, good. So, what is premium?
Sir, premium is the initial amount of payment for any insurance scheme or insurance coverage plan per year. It may.
So, in insurance, there is some classification, is there, right? So, do you know any classification of insurance types?
It's a personal insurance, like general insurance, life insurance. Whereas life insurance will cover term insurance, whole life insurance.
Okay.
Like that. In general insurance, it will include accidental insurance, vehicle insurance, personal group accident insurance.
Okay, good. What is the meaning of term insurance?
Term insurance, the insurance coverage that an individual can avail within the sorry, sir. Term insurance means within the specific period of term, like 10 years or 15 years, we can get the amount. That is known as term insurance, sir.
Actually, in insurance, what we are getting money.
Sir, in life insurance, we can get money, no, sir.
Okay.
After a specific period of time, we can get the amount along with the maturity, along with the interest, we can get the amount, sir.
Okay. In case of term insurance, what is the scenario?
Sir, after a specific period of time, sir. Like, if I avail insurance for 10 years, after 10 years, I can get the insurance, what I paid as a premium along with interest as a maturity amount.
Okay. So, what is the recently we have seen that RBI governor has cut the rate.
Yes,
what
sir.
is the necessity to cut the rate? Recently, RBI governor. Who is the RBI governor?
Sir, Sanjay Malhotra is the RBI governor.
Okay. So, what is the reason behind it?
Sir, the repo rate is currently reduced by 25 basic points. Before it is 25 basic points it is cut to increase the money supply, sir, so that a bank can reduce the interest rate, so people can avail more loans. To increase the money supply, the rate is reduced, sir.
Okay. What is the necessity of providing loans to the people? Why it is required at this time? Why they have reduced instead of increasing? They can increase also, right? Why they have reduced? What is the need of it at this current situation?
The money supply is reduced. When the money supply is reduced, the RBI will reduce the repo rate so that the money supply can be increased, sir. So that only banks are availing loans for people to increase the money supply, sir.
Okay. What is the inflation rate? Current inflation rate. Recently data came, right? So what is the inflation rate of India?
Sorry, sir, I am unaware about it.
Okay. What is fiscal deficit?
Sir?
Fiscal deficit.
Fiscal deficit is total expenditure minus total receipt.
Okay. What is the meaning of total receipt? What is the meaning of it? In fiscal deficit, you are saying total receipt. What is the meaning of it?
Payments. Deposit.
Okay. What is current account deficit?
Current account deficit, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm unaware about it.
Okay. What is the difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy?
Monetary policy is the actions that is taken by RBI to control money supply and interest rates, sir. Whereas fiscal supply will use the government securities, debits, and other securities to control money supply.
So, who is handling the fiscal policy?
Fiscal policy. Finance Minister, sir.
Okay. Through which? So, what is the instrument used in fiscal policy?
Money markets.
Okay.
Money markets and capital markets. Sir.
Yeah, money market is coming under fiscal policy.
Sorry.
So what? Okay, what is money market?
Sir, it is a financial market for we can get financial markets that support short-term loans or debits.
Okay, what are the short-term loans that we can avoid in under money market? What are the instruments do we have?
Sorry, sir.
Treasury bill. What is treasury bill? T-bill. Have you heard that?
Oh, yes,
T-bill.
sir.
Okay. Can you explain something? Okay. It's different. Promissory note is something different. It is negotiable instrument. Promissory note is a negotiable instrument. So what is capital market then?
Sir, for long-term loans, we can go for capital markets, sir.
For long term. What is the meaning of long term? What you mean?
Like
years wise. What is the capital market? Long term you are saying. What is the period? Tenure. What is capital market? Okay.
Sorry, sir, I will update.
Okay, good. Still, our farmer communities are facing with regarding income. There is a reduced income. They are still considered as a marginal section. So there are so many schemes in India. Still, we are not able to provide sufficient support to the farmers, right? Every day we are seeing some suicide because of financial stress. So what are the steps government has taken to provide the support to the farmers? What are the steps taken by the government?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Kishan Yojana offering 6,000 per year as a financial support for farmers.
Okay.
In subsidized urea bag.
Okay.
Then organizing a special campaign relevant to how they can increase their income by adopting various new technologies and with the reduced cost.
Okay. What are the new technologies do we have to improve the agriculture? Do you know any new technologies?
Sir, they can go for mulching, sir. Like a zero tillage, they can instead of spending money on primary tillage equipment, so they can go for zero tillage.
Whether it's a technology?
No, sir, it is crop cultivation practices.
Okay. Any new technology that would support the farmer's income level, or it has to increase the income level? Any technology? There are greenhouse technologies there, AI is there. Recently, drone technology is growing like anything. So you can mention those things, right?
Okay, sir.
So with regarding women, there is one scheme related to drone also. What is the name of it? Drone woman. There is one scheme.
Yes,
Recently there. What is the name of it? Drone Didi. Have you heard about that?
Yes, sir. Didi scheme.
So what is the necessity of it?
To make women part in agriculture effectively, so that the agriculture can improve.
Okay. So you are an agriculture student?
Yes, sir.
When you are passed out?
2023, sir.
So you passed out in 2023. There are so many candidates still struggling to clear the exam. They have passed out in 2019, 2020. They are seniors to you. And you are very young to this industry. So don't you think you are very young and not yet mature enough to come to the banking industry?
No, sir. At any age, we can go for the right job if we have the quality. And I hope I'm a quick learner, and even it is new for me to sit in a bank. I will learn quickly about the digital transaction and updates, and I will update myself, sir.
Okay, good. So after 5 years, where do you see yourself? If we are selecting you as a AFO, after 5 years, where will you see?
After 5 years, I see myself in a good good bank officer. Sorry, sir. After 5 years, I see myself as a good bank officer with the self-satisfaction of my dream job, and also to supporting of farmers community, sir.
Okay, good. So basically, your answer is pretty bold. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So from the initial, you are maintaining the same speed, but introduction is little bit speed only. So somewhat you can reduce, and then in between you can take a few seconds to answer.
Okay, sir.
So if I am asking question means you necessarily you don't need to answer next second. You can take 2 to 3 seconds. Then you can use that 2 to 3 seconds to answer. How to answer? So actually you are having answer, but when you are starting with the hastiness, you are missing some points. So you reduce your speed. Then everything will come to your mind. Be calm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you try to manage. You have to learn some terminologies like fiscal deficit.
Okay,
and you try to learn some banking awareness. Banking awareness part you have to manage.
Okay, sir.
You are trying to answer all the questions. That's good. So we will see your improvement after 1 or 2 weeks. We will see next session. You have to answer very good. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So remaining Sandhya is there, it seems. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good evening. So Sandhya, you can go ahead with your brief introduction. So Go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I'm Sandhya. I'm from Namakkal. Talking about my studies, I did my graduation from AC and RI Kudimyanai at Pudukkottai. In my family, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. And I have one elder brother. He's working as a civil engineer. And I'm married woman, sir. My husband, he is also preparing for a competitive exam. And I have one kid. He's 3 years old. And coming to my hobbies, if I get free time, I love to do cooking, sir. That's all.
Okay. Your brother is a civil engineer, your father is a farmer, and you choose as you become agriculture graduate. Why did you choose civil engineering or some other engineering courses instead of agriculture? What makes you to becoming agriculture student?
Sir, first my father, sir, because my father is a farmer and I'm coming from a farming background, I choose agriculture, sir, in my graduation. After completing my graduation, I looked into job sector. I came to know about agriculture field officer, and I very much interested because my father is also farmer. So I very much connected to this. So I chose this job, sir.
So basically, you are from a farming background, so interested on that. Oh, good. So,
yes, sir.
Have you ever worked in the field level? Do you work in the fields?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for how many days it will take to do weeding by hand? I hope you might have worked with the hand hose. How many days do you need to complete 1 acre of land with hand hose? How many members needed? How many men needed to complete that one acre land?
Sir, for 4 to 5 women, it will take for 1 acre. It will take approximately 3 to 4. If 3 to 4 days, if according to that, they will come 7 to 1 time, sir. Time limit. It like that means it take more days. They will come for full day means it may take 4 days, 3 to 3.5 days, 4 days, sir.
Okay, good. So which type of irrigation method you are following? Actually, what is the source of irrigation for your land?
Sir, borewell and river canal, sir.
Okay. So, what is the HP level of your borewell? What is the HP?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I know, sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay. What is the HP? What is HP? What is the meaning of HP?
Horsepower, sir.
Okay. 1 horsepower means how many kilowatts?
Sir, 750 kilowatts, sir.
Okay. Good. So both you have well and tube well, right?
Yes, sir. River canal, sir.
River canal.
Yes, sir.
So what is the source of your river? What is the river?
Sir, Kaveri River, sir. Kaveri River, sir.
Okay, good. So where it originates, Kaveri?
Sir, in Talai Kaveri Pattinam in Karnataka, sir. Kaveri Pattinam in.
Okay. What are the dams constructed on Kaveri River?
Sir, in our Tamil Nadu and Mettur, which is originated in Dharmaburi district, sir.
Okay. Good. So let's move to the banking awareness part.
Okay, sir.
Let's consider you have become as a AFO in one region. So what are the responsibilities do you have? If
sir,
you are becoming AFO, what are the roles and responsibility?
Sir, providing loans, agri loans and Kisan credit cards and recovering NPA and newly released schemes taking awareness to the farmers, and farmers visit field visits, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So after giving loans to the farmers, there we have seen that so many instances that loans turning into a NPA. What are the ways do we have to recover the NPA as a AFO? What are the ways do we have? How we will recover the loan NPAs?
Yes, sir. First, we talk to the farmer why they are not paying the loans, and if we want to visit the land, and we need to in depthly understand the situation, if they are saying correct reasons or not. By seeing this, we can conclude what are the ways to they can overcome this. Like that, we give awareness, or and we say them to repay as soon as possible.
Okay. If they are not repaying, means what will you do?
Sir, I will inform to senior officer and take some guidance, and I will get some more PDR to the farmers, and I will suggest some cropping patterns like that, and I make them to repay the loan, sir.
Okay. So under Kisan credit card, what is the amount that a bank can lend without any security? What is the maximum amount a bank can lend without security under Kisan credit card?
Previously, it was 1.6 lakhs, sir. Now it recently changed as 2 lakhs, sir.
Okay. So after 2 lakhs, what happens? How much maximum amount the bank can provide?
Sir, up to 5 lakh they can provide, sir.
Okay. How many years farmer can take to repay the amount?
Sir, 12 months, 1 year, sir.
Okay. After 1 year also he is not paying, means how much interest he has to pay?
Sir, he has to pay 7%, sir. Whole interest.
Okay.
If you pay within 1 year, he get 3% as a subsidy, and 3% as interest free, and he will pay 4% as interest, sir.
Okay. Tell me some ways to increase the agricultural production in India. What are the ways will you suggest?
So mostly in our India, according to my knowledge, there are only large, small and marginal farmers are very high, sir. So we can tell them to do integrated farming system, so they can increase every sector. I mean, fishery, animal husbandry, all they can improve at a time, sir.
Okay. In India, what is the percentage of rain-fed area? What is the percentage of irrigated area?
Sir, I can't. Sorry, sir, I can't recollect it now, sir.
Okay. How integrated farming system will help?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So You are from?
Sir, I am from Namakkal, sir.
You are also from Namakkal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the candidates from Namakkal only. Okay, good. So, who is the collector of Namakkal?
Sir, Durga Murthy, sir. Durga Murthy.
What is the name of him? Rudramurthy.
Durga Murthy, yes, sir.
Durga Murthy. Okay, okay. So, VAO name?
Sir, Vasanta, sir. Vasanta.
Vasanta. Okay, okay. So, what is the duties of VAO?
Sir, Village Administrative Officer. To supervision the village activities which were held by in villages. That's it, I know, sir.
Okay. So good, quite good. So answer was bold.
Okay, sir.
Study a lot. In banking awareness, you have to read. Schemes also you try to read. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. So in next session we have to see the improvement. All the best for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can directly contact me.
Okay, sir.
So let's meet at another session. Up to that, tata, bye bye. Does anyone have any queries? Shall we end up the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.